Hi everyone, and welcome to Final Exams Week for Writing 213. This is going to be my last video of the semester. So you should remember that your multimedia presentation is due on the 29th. You should be responding to the peer review, seeking other readers, letting me know if you have questions, working on your final filmings, and make sure you turn that in before the 29th. Anything that comes in after the 29th, I will not have time to respond to. You should also make sure that this week you complete the course reflection, which is kind of like a final exam. One of the ways that you grow as a writer is reflecting on what you've done and thinking hard about how you might change it. So make sure that you complete this course reflection. Make sure you wait to complete it until after you've finished your multimedia presentation so that you have the benefit of reflecting on it. Be sure that you've answered all of my questions here and you'll do great on our final exam. I've enjoyed working with all of you. Make sure you stay in touch with any questions that come up. Take care, everyone, and I look forward to getting your final projects soon.